In this lecture, we will discuss about Article 8. Article 8 is about consent of a child when an organization offers online services directly to a child. Let us now discuss Article 8.1. As per Article 8.1, if child is 16 years of age or above, then consent of that child itself is valid. However, if the child is below 16 years of age, then consent of child is not valid. If the child is younger than 16, they can only use the child's data if a parent or a guardian says it's okay. The controller shall make reasonable efforts to verify in such cases that consent is given or authorized by a holder of parental responsibility over the child. Also, Article 8 says that member state may provide by law for a lower age. However, such lower age should not be below 13 years. Let us now discuss about Article 8 in nutshell. Article 8 has three sub-clauses: 8.1, 8.2 and 8.3. Article 8.1 says that processing of the personal data of a child shall be lawful where the child is at least 16 years old. But when child is below age of 16 years, consent is required by the holder of a parental responsibility over the child. Member state may provide by law for a lower age. However, such lower age should not be below 13 years. 8.2 says that controller must make reasonable efforts to verify that consent is given by the appropriate holder of parental responsibility over the child. 8.3 says that this particular article will not impact the contract law of the member states. Let us now discuss some of the key aspects of Article 8. First one, Article 8 applies only if the information society service is being offered directly to a child. What is information society service? It is any type of service provided by the electronic means. Second point, default age at which a person is no longer considered a child is 16 years. Third one, member state can adjust this age requirement to anywhere between 13 to 16 years. Let us understand Article 8 by way of multiple choice questions. Let us discuss the first question. In the context of offering information society services directly to a child, at what age is the processing of the personal data of a child is considered as lawful? Correct answer is option B, that is 16 years. This age is defined in Article 8.1. What efforts must the controller should make to verify the consent from the holder of a parental responsibility when a service is directly offered to a child? Correct answer is option C. Controller must make reasonable efforts to verify the consent taking into consideration available technology. This is because of requirement of Article 8.2. Next question. If a child is below 16 years old, when should be the processing will be considered as lawful in context of offering information society services? Correct answer is option A. Only when consent of legal guardian is available. This is because of requirement of Article 8(1). That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching.